Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I'm going to talk about how to ensure your guests get a good night's sleep. I've always said, at a basic minimum, every hospitality property has to provide a clean facility and a comfortable bed. At some point, we are all hospitality property guests, whether it be at a hotel, resort, inn, bed and breakfast, or Airbnb. And it does not matter if we're traveling for pleasure or business. There are times when getting a good night's sleep can be a taxing proposition. But sleep is critically important for general health and well-being of everyone, and the better you sleep, the better you live, work, and play. As a hospitality property owner or manager, there are many factors that can affect your guest's sleep that is out of your control. However, there are ways that you can create a more comfortable, memorable sleep environment for your guests. Of all the items guests come into contact with during their hospital stay, bedding probably signifies the biggest percentage. Pillows, comforters, duvets, sheets, blankets, and bed skirts are normally the first thing a guest might notice when they walk through the door. So how they look, feel, and smell is important. As the saying goes, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. The quality of the mattress matters. Mattresses have become so technological, some are even based on research from NASA, the U.S. Space Agency, and are called sleep systems. They can cost up to $50,000 a piece. But is it really necessary to fork out that kind of money to give your guests a good night's sleep when you can do it for between $1,500 and $2,500? One thing is for sure, you cannot cheap out and expect guests to return or leave a good review if you are spending less than $300. A mattress in that price range will certainly not ensure your guest a good night's sleep unless they are very young or very light. Cheap mattresses also need to be replaced more often, as frequently as every 2 years. Invest extra, at least $1,500, and you should not need to change the mattress for 10 years. Go higher end and they could last up to 25 years. A good rule of thumb is to spend as much as you can afford. Not remarkably, the bed your guests sleep on, its comfort and performance, is a key in helping them achieve a sound, restful sleep. It's really important for hospitality properties to work with bed suppliers who really understand hospitality industry requirements and develop products and solutions to meet them. It's also important to have strong warranties and a responsive customer service to better minimize business disruptions. Other ways to ensure your guests have a good sleep is to promote quiet. Not all sources of guest room noise are within your control, but many are. For example, leaky faucets, buzzing light fixtures, loud heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC equipment, and windows. These should be addressed immediately before your guests have an opportunity to complain. And still another way to ensure your guests have a good sleep is to promote peace. Blackout drapes, eye masks, and earplugs. Your housekeeping staff is your first line of defense. Add possible sources of noise to the room checklist so that your maintenance personnel can be informed and take action to resolve any found issues. Major hospitality property brands worldwide continue to make guest sleep experience a priority and are investing significantly towards this goal. And this is a topic we are going to continue researching. The best way to stay on top of our findings is to become a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. You can find out more information at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/membership-site. Remember, reviews are hard to ignore, and if you are getting negative reviews because of the comfort of your guest's bed, you're losing money. With this in mind, we want to challenge you. We want to challenge you to the 6-day challenge. We at Keystone HDC have taken our years of experience as hospitality property authorities and produced the 6-day challenge, a video series with many actionable tips and techniques that you can take and use to help improve your property's patronage and profit. The most exciting thing about this video series? It's 100% free. The 6-day challenge will take you step by step through the process of operating a successful hospitality property, including determining what type of owner or manager you are, how to set up an organizational structure, secrets of great customer service, how to market effectively, how to benefit from social media, and how to make your guests want to return. Whether you are operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there is always something new you can learn. As a famous quote says, never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. It's important as a hospitality property owner or manager that you never stop learning. So what have you got to lose? Are you up for the challenge? Visit keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/6-day-challenge-log-in-here. Sign up and get immediate access to the first video. Good luck. If you have any stories about how to ensure your guests get a good night's sleep and would like to share or have questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section of the show notes. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC108. That is it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We do appreciate your comments, and if you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com. Let's continue to work to put more heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.